Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, Happy New Year to everybody. And 2017, here we go. On Friday, the Bears were able to get things down to around 22-28. They bounced that through starting Friday afternoon into the Monday night session. The new weekly pivot comes out at about 22.45. It's 44.67. It paused there for a little bit. It pulled back for a few handles, and then it broke above, and it hasn't really looked back. We've done 22.55 in the Globex. It's pulled back a little bit here. So, this 22.28 lower low opens the door. If the Bears can do it, it opens the door to lower prices. This week, this month, it opens the door. The onus is on the bulls. The bulls are going to have to go up and finally convert the old range resistance up at 22.67. Anything below it that then follows up by breaking 28 is going to be lower high, lower low on the daily, and that could bring in some selling. So the bulls have done well to fight back the way they have. Ideally, what the bulls will want to do is they're going to want to keep price above the weekly pivot here all week. Don't go back down. Don't get into it. If it does fall back through, then it's going to, it's going to demonstrate the potential to head back down and retest that 28. Because once you get down here, there's a point where you start looking at this gap. You start thinking, well, that 28 needs to get a test. It becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. So what the bulls want to do is they want to keep doing what they're doing here. They come up above the weekly pivot. They can retest, and that may be what we're in the process of doing. We've traded down about 4 handles in the last, call it an hour, hour and a half, couple of hours. The key is going to be what happens when it gets down to 45. Going to hold? Is it going to break? Are we going to get into some 2 or 3 day long battle over the weekly pivot? We got a short week this week. I'm expecting volatility to come back into the markets, although probably not all at once. Looking back at all my notes from prior Januaries, it's really the first full week, which would be next week, that things really start to really kick in and pick up. Although, this week should be better than the Christmas weeks. But be smart, keep control of your size, use stops. Don't get your year started off in some kind of a situation where you're going to take a big hit. Make your handles, get to the next day, take what the market gives you. That may be a lot of volatility. It may be just a couple of opportunities in a day, but sit down, see what the market wants to do, and you adjust to what the market's doing. Not expect the market to adjust to what you want. The market doesn't care what we want. The market's going to do what the market does. It's our job to adjust and take what it gives us. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic week. That's all I got.
Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Come check out our website, Princetontrader.com, and come take a free trial in our chat room. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Trade 'em well, everybody.